Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the volume of your laptop speaker on your Windows operating system. Have you ever tried to watch a movie or listen to some music on your laptop, only to find that the volume just is not loud enough? Well, I have got 4 simple tricks to help you boost the volume of your laptop speakers, especially if you don't have any external speakers or Bluetooth devices handy. So, let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about Windows' built-in volume enhancer. To enable it, click on the Windows Start icon and then click on Settings. You can also search for it in the search bar and open it. Once you open the Settings app, click on System and then Sounds. Scroll down until you find More Sound Settings, then click on it. A small window will appear in front of you. Here, you will see a list of playback devices. Make sure to select the one labeled Speakers, which is your laptop's built-in speaker. Next, click on Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Enhancements tab. If you don't see this tab, you might need to update your speaker drivers. Now, here's a crucial step: make sure that the Disable All Enhancements checkbox is unchecked. This will allow you to adjust the settings we need. Find the option that says Loudness Equalization, check this box, and you should notice an immediate increase in your laptop speaker volume. To make sure it's working, uncheck the Loudness Equalization box and click on Preview. You will hear the current volume. Now, check the box again and click Preview once more. You should hear a noticeable boost in volume, around 25 to 30% louder. Click Apply, then OK, and close out of the sound settings. Now, if you are watching something in the browser like Google Chrome, there are some extensions to boost the browser volume. Let me show you how to add the best one. First of all, open the Chrome browser and search for a Volume Master extension. Click on the first link. This is a good extension for your browser, I think. Now, click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Add Extension. Once installed, the extension's icon will appear on the top right of your browser window. That's it. You have successfully installed the Master Volume extension. Now, click on the Extensions button and pin the extension by clicking on the Pin option. Now, you can use it to control the volume of audio on web pages. Let me show you the result. I opened YouTube and played something here. Now, click on this extension icon. Now you can increase and decrease the volume of your browser.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Listen to how good the quality and the loudness are. There is also a dark and light mode option here. Well, if you are facing difficulty due to low volume while watching or listening to something on your laptop's media player, you should install VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player has got you covered. With its volume boost feature, you can crank up the volume to a whopping 200%, perfect for noisy environments or when the audio levels are just too low. Whether you are watching movies or jamming to music, VLC ensures an immersive audio experience without compromising on quality. So say goodbye to low volume blues and hello to a whole new world of sound with VLC Media Player's 200% volume boost. Check out the results at 200%. On the fourth and last number, we have a best software to boost the volume up to 500%. The name of this Software is Letasoft Sound Booster. To download it, open Google Chrome, search for Letasoft Sound Booster. Once you get the search results, click on the first link. This is the Letasoft Sound Booster's official website. Click on the download button to download it. Once downloaded, open the file location. Double-click on it to install it. Once the installation process has been completed, click on Finish. After installation, you will find it in your system tray at the bottom right corner of your PC. Adjust the volume slider to boost your computer's speaker volume to your preferred level. You can enable or disable it from here. Now let me show you the results. Let me play something in the media player. Check out the result on 500% volume. Enjoy your media with enhanced sound quality thanks to Letasoft Sound Booster. Using these ways you can say goodbye to low volume frustrations and hello to a world of vibrant sound. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.